How to create a folder on app drawer and home screen on a Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, open the app drawer on your device. To create a folder on app drawer, long press the app. Tap on a select. Now select the application you want to create a folder. Here we select phone, message, contacts. Now tap on a create folder option at the top right. Tap on it. Now you can see create the folder. Tap on a folder name and enter the name you want to set. Tap on a dot icon to change the folder color. Here you can see different folder color. Now you can see this folder on your app drawer. Just open the app drawer and you can find the folder. Tap on it again. Tap on a plus icon to add app. Here we add Google Chrome app. Tap on a done. Now you can see add the application. To create the folder on home screen, tap and hold the app and move it to another app. And now you can see create the folder on home screen. So same, just enter the name you want to set. Tap on a dot icon. Select the color or customize your favorite color for a folder. Tap on a done. That's it. If you want to remove the folder, tap and hold it. Tap on a remove. Now remove the folder. That's it. If you like it, share it.